Buenos dias, straight from ETH Barcelona. I'm here with Michael, the CEO of Pillar and Etherspot and DropMe. And Michael is going to talk a little bit about Etherspot SDK for us to understand better. Right, Michael?
Thank you. Buenos dias. I mean, it's been awesome being in Barcelona. And yes, talking about Etherspot. Oh, by the way, the whole team is around. We've got the whole competition.
Yeah, we got everybody here.
Nice leaderboard. Working hard, all of them. And people are busy scanning our competition cards. So what does Etherspot do? Etherspot is a smart contract framework. What it does is it helps you to cross-chain transactions in a much easier and smoother way. Imagine you had an asset on any sidechain, say Avalanche, and you wanted to stake on some service on Polygon. Have you thought about the process you have to go through? It takes about 9 steps you have to go through. You have to bridge the asset. You have to buy a native token to pay for the gas. Then you buy the asset that you want to stake, then stake it. By the time you're done, you would probably have to sign about 9 times. This is just a pure vanilla service. If you were doing involving staking out of one vault and going to another vault, that gets even more complex. So this isn't for the faint-hearted. You really have to be desperate to do it. So what we've done with Etherspot is utilizing the smart contract framework. You can use any key wallet like Metamask, and if you come from another sidechain and go and stake, and first of all bridge your asset in an automated way and stake. So on the other side, say on the destination chain, we transaction batch everything for you, meaning we bundle them together so that you do not need to sign as many times, to give you a smoother user experience, so that instead of signing 9 times, you'd have to do it maybe 2 times, maximum 3. And you don't even need to worry about the gas price because we abstract it away. And if you are a dApp, it is a big thing for you because you would be able to go cross-chain without actually having to deploy your services on multiple chains, meaning you do not need to split your liquidity. You do not need to have the operational overhead of deploying on every chain. And if you are a user, a smoother transaction. In fact, if you are a dApp who is having a promotional aspect to say, oh, we want the first 200 users not to pay gas for this service, we can facilitate that because we use abstraction of the gas payment. It's called meta transaction. So Etherspot is a powerful tool when we combine key wallet with smart wallets, and your key wallet controls your smart wallet. So you are always in charge. It is always decentralized. You are in control of your destiny. So in a nutshell, just in a briefcase, that's what Etherspot does. It does have other things like where in a specific deployment in a DAO, you do not even need to pay gas for using the Etherspot peer-to-peer sending service. One of our tools, DropMe, uses that actually. DropMe is a tool to bring airdrops back to the mainnet, because the senders do not pay anymore, the receivers pay when they collect the gas. So if you were to send, say, an airdrop to 1,000 people on mainnet, it would cost you just 20 grand in gas price. But in this case, as a sender, all you have to do is worry about the airdrop. The receivers will pick up the gas price as long as what you are airdropping is of good value and is more than what the gas price is, the people will be happy to pick it up. So we have the Pillar wallet, which is again built on top of Etherspot. Pillar wallet has been going since 2018, the wallet itself in the company from 2017, and hence we have Etherspot as an experiment we did within the Pillar wallet, which became a product. Then we're launching Etherspot as its own entity right now.
Thank you so much, Michael.
We really appreciate that. Thank you very much, guys.